Washington's governor is firing back at the U.S. Attorney General, who sent a threatening letter over immigration enforcement. The Department of Justice said Washington's sanctuary policies are blocking federal law.
She even warned that elected officials could face criminal charges if they don't fall in line. Drew Andre is here now following this for us. So, Drew, what is Ferguson saying in response?
Well, maybe despite these threats, which include the threats of cutting federal funding and even prosecution, Ferguson says that the state will not be bullied. Let's take a look now at that letter. Bondi told Ferguson that he must cooperate with federal immigration enforcement or face serious consequences. Yesterday, surrounded by legislators, state agency directors, even Seattle's Mayor Bruce Harrell, Governor Bob Ferguson responded to Bondi.
In the America that I love, I have taught my children to revere, we resolve our differences peacefully through public discourse and, if necessary, through the courts, not by threatening political opponents with imprisonment.
And at the center of this is Washington's state law that passed back in 2019 that prohibits local governments from working with ICE to arrest undocumented residents.
It ensures that when a parent drives their kid to school, when a worker gets to their job site, or when someone calls 911 in an emergency, that help will come without fear that help will come with handcuffs and deportation.
So how are state Republicans responding? Well, State Representative Jim Walsh said the governor is putting essential functions of state government at risk and to perpetuate a foolish political fight here. He even compared the Democrats challenging the federal government to the Confederates in the Civil War. So that's the kind of response we're getting from the Republican Party.
Pretty heavy there. So did Bondi specifically target Washington here, or were there a list of states? We've seen that they're going after Democratic states specifically.
Right, so it's anything that they considered under the jurisdiction, under the sanctuary jurisdiction. So that includes 11 other states outside of Washington and 18 cities around the country, including Seattle is one of those.
Okay, all right, we'll follow the legal fights ahead.
Thank you, Drew.